All right. So what we will talk about is Tuesday reversal, midweek reversal, why it forms, when we can expect them, what are our confirmation, and the mindset that you should have behind these reversal. Because as much as I don't like to follow a trend, but when we have a macro trend, you really gotta follow that. You gotta understand the difference. When we say we don't follow trend, means we don't follow the trends that is just being created. We look at the overall trend. So for that reason, you need to have a mindset of why these reversals are good, good kind of trade. Because one of the things you might have difficulty is that you are always trading against the trend when you're trading these reversals, right? Not all the time, but most of the time. So it's really important for you to understand the reason you are, the reason that you are trading it, the reason you validate a setup. If you don't validate your setup, then basically you're gambling. You should not gamble, whatsoever. A lot of people think forex is gamble, but it's actually nothing like a gambling, right? So the mindset behind the Tuesday reversal or the midweek reversal, basically when Friday, let me put this here, this blue highlight here on my charts always is the Monday. So when market create a low, okay, delete this. Okay, when market create a low, what is that? 1 second. Okay, when market comes and create a low, why is acting so weird here? Let me delete some of these. And on my trading view for the last 2 days is acting a little crazy. So market forms a low and then consolidate here. What's happening here at this low is that retail trader placing their pending order down here all the time. That's one of, even like some big hedge fund institution, they place their pending order here, right? And then what happened is in Tuesday, sometimes happen in Monday. The name is Tuesday reversal because it's mostly happening Tuesday because Monday is a trap day. Monday is a trap day, so they keep working in here, and then in Tuesday, they violate the low of the Monday or the week and then run away from them. So this point is where broker for a millisecond open up the spread and activate all these order here and then run away from them. In the midweek reversal, most of the time we are looking at the trend that being created through Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday reversal, and then we expect a reversal, like bigger one, to break that trend. This is the midweek reversal, okay? But the understanding that market maker has to create this trend. If there is not enough people following this trend, market maker won't reverse it. The whole point of these setups is that market maker trap you guys. And not you guys, I mean the retail trader. So when they form a low or they form a high, and a Monday or even Tuesday Asian session, that will create another high of the day. So market doesn't need to all the time come back to here. They can come to here, break the high of the day, open up the spread, grab the order, and then run away. So later, retail can say, oh, it was a downtrend because it didn't touch the high. They don't need to come and touch the high. They can just open up a spread and get you. So it's very important that you guys, when you wanna trade the reversals, you wait for your confirmation. What is the confirmation? Confirmation is you see the pattern of the manipulation happening. You see, okay, after this candle, I believe this was a wick to come here, grab these orders, you know, and then run away. So if you enter here in beginning of a Tuesday after the first bearish candle that you see and you're looking to buy, what's gonna happen is you will get a stop hunt just like the others. Waiting for the confirmation is the only thing you should really be careful about. Remember this, market maker has, what can I say? You don't have ability to stay up 5 days a week looking at these charts and decide when you want to do what you're going to do. But market maker is not only one person. There is series of people, whatever companies or I don't know, group of whatever it is, they are more powerful. They have more information. So you can't just guess this market because Human told you when market creates a low at the Friday, they come and grab the order and go. So I sell here. You gotta wait for the confirmation because if there is not enough pending order here, Tuesday reversal won't happen. It's all about liquidity. If market maker can't provide the liquidity to the move, they continue manipulating and continue giving you false signal. Like if there is no order here, they make a new low here, you know? So maybe order come trap here. If they don't move, it means it was a lot of buyer here, you know? Sorry, in a lot of, buyer here. So they keep going down and hit their stop loss. It's about the liquidity. It's simple as that. It's as hard as you make it for yourself, you know? So, 1 second, I gotta charge my computer before it ran out of us. Wait, okay. So by understanding this, I'm gonna clear here a little bit. By understanding this means you don't come to Tuesday and expect the market and the specific pair that you want, that exact reversal happen. You will come to the Tuesday to see if you find any sign, any, anything to tell you that manipulation happened here. People are trapped. Liquidity can run away now. You don't have access to all those machines, computers, and everything that market maker has, but you have access to your eyes, right? So what you're looking for is somehow a low or high being formed, and then market comes and work on it, even sometimes run away, then come here, grab some order and run away. So if this happened in the Tuesday, that's the Tuesday reversal. Sometimes happen in Monday. I personally don't take the trades, especially reversals on Monday, you know? So let's go and let's go and talk in the chart a little bit. Let's find some example here. Right here. I started from here. Okay. So you see Friday create the high. Retail traders put their buyer stops in here. So when market came here, they got activated. So they're able to get 35 pip, you know, good. And they come to the next day, Monday, they do again exact same thing. They place their order here. So what happened now? They all got activated and the price run away. Notice the M formation right here. This is when you want to look for an M and W. You can see everything here like an M. Everything here looks like an W. Why? Because the market moves like forming M and W. The market want to go up and down. In here, you see a W being formed, right? But what actually happened is this. So how can you find out if it's making lower low or higher high? Or how you can understand this is a M or W formation? By looking for it in a valid place, which is high of the day, high of the week, high of the month. M formation happen, it's a pattern of manipulation. You see, Monday form the high, work the high, break it, retest it. This resistance right now, it's absolutely valid for the retail trader to be a support. You see, they are not stupid, as Dylan says, it's his free M&W course that he has. He says he mentions that retail traders are not stupid. They have their own confirmation too. They wait for the resistance to be broken by a big momentum candle and then retest it and then give them a railroad track, a pattern that we look for. And on the second leg, but you can see the same pattern was a false confirmation for the retail trader. So as long as you don't have something like this, you should not look for a Tuesday reversal. Let's see if it's live. Monday create the high, Tuesday price violated, couldn't break the high. Look at here, couldn't break the high. And this is an engulfing candle. This is our confirmation. So you want to wait more, you can see they come back, come down, break the EMA, retest the EMA, and continue going down. This is a valid Tuesday reversal. Why? Because it creates and formed an M formation at the highest low of the week so far, at the high of previous week as well. You can see previous week, the highest point was here. They came, create the new high. This is high of this week right now. To all the retail traders, this is an uptrend. Let's say they're looking at it live. So this is more like mindset that I'm talking about. You gotta understand why you look for a reversal when Friday is coming up, Monday is coming up, Tuesday is showing engulfing candle. All EMAs are like getting expanded. They're retesting it perfectly. Everything is bullish. Like if I added whatever indicator, I don't even use them. But let's see. I don't know. Oh, I can have more indicators. Anyway, if you put an RSI right here, trust me, it's showing you bullish because it's in an uptrend. Consolidation is where market maker mess up with indicators. See here, that's a consolidation. These big bullish candles with a small bearish and then again bullish and then small bearish, this will mess up with indicators calculation. That being the cause that retail traders see that, okay, RSI or whatever is down there, MACD it's showing bullish, but what happened is a bearish, unless there's swing trading or whatever. So you can see in here, that's another example. High of the Friday, high of the Monday being violated, and then showing that they can't break it anymore. That's a Tuesday reversal. Why? Because I can see they work this here. What I mean by they work here means they accumulate enough pending order or like actual execution for buyers. The fact that market broke here and came up, it's telling me they didn't have enough buyers at the moment. So they had to come up and grab all those pending order. So you should look at this as a market maker arm, just grabbing the orders and then running away from the zone. Okay, so let's go to another Tuesday. Let's see what happened here. So in here, you can see market didn't have anything to do about the Tuesday reversal. They were just working off the zone, you know, in here. They already did the damage here. So Monday, they formed a low and they're continuing. They are not coming to the high. They're not coming to the down. They're just waiting here. But notice, still, when the price comes to these highs, they reverse. Like same thing happened, but not in Tuesday. Why I say Tuesday is because Monday is a Sunday and Monday is the day that every excited trader sitting behind the charts and placing orders. And Tuesday, the most patient ones, Tuesday is in the market. So that's the best time they can, you know, after the Monday finish, even the guys that they're patient in the Tuesday morning, they have their pending order up there. So guess what? Market maker grab them all. But if this is not the case, Tuesday reversal won't happen. How can you know? By waiting for market to violate a high. You can see here, you should not buy this W as a Tuesday reversal. You can buy it in whatever reason that you think. Let me just take these EMAs off. I put it there to see, like for this example, how even EMAs get manipulated. But you can see market didn't come to high, didn't come to the low. Why in the earth you want to trade a reversal pattern? You gotta wait for them to violate it, give you a confirmation, give you a settle, M formation or W formation, and then you ride it. Tuesday reversal can be the reversal that complete the weekly structure. You can see here. This is one of the good examples. The reason I'm not moving from this example is I want you to understand the concept that how market maker play is card, so you can understand how you can play your card. You know, this is a game, but it's not a gamble. I'm hoping you guys understand the difference. You can see market made the uptrend, Tuesday reversal, form the weekly structure, the pump and dump pattern. And we look for the midweek reversal too. So when here market couldn't break this low, they came here, grabbed the order. What it's telling you, what these wicks telling you is that same thing on the Tuesday reversal. You just gotta understand the concept. There is pending order here, or what you can call it liquidity zone. I'll show you an example of liquidity zone. Market always wanna run to this liquidity zone. Okay, so they come here, grab the order. You can see that's a beautiful W formation here. They come, grab the order. They can't break the high anymore. Inside bar, that's the name of this pattern. And then you're writing it. Notice they work this area and this area as a touch to this downtrend. And then they use a news event in Friday to hit the stop loss. So basically, price didn't move in here. It started here and finished here, but whole a lot of shit happened here, right? So midweek reversal, most of you guys looking in Wednesday for the midweek reversal. Don't give it the time. It's a forex market. You can't just sit there and say Tuesday happened, Wednesday happened. You gotta wait to see what the fuck market maker doing. You can't just come and put the time, put the date. Oh, every Monday I'm on my chart 3:45, 15 minutes before London session. If it give me a hammer, I enter the market with no matter how many lots. No, that's not how this works. This was a beautiful midweek reversal. Notice, Tuesday reversal happened, midweek reversal happened, but not in Wednesday. So this was just a stop hunt. This was just a stop hunt to people who's selling this. They're selling this and they come, hit their stop loss, and they come. So they wake up in the morning and say, oh man, I entered here, I put my stop loss on break even, and then they cut me out and they went down. I'm sure this happened to you. That's the reason. The pullback, retest, whatever they want to call it, it's only a stop hunt. So let's move on here. See another example. See now in here, when you put this trend line here, where is our Tuesday reversal? Where is our midweek reversal? Can you spot them? In this week, there was no midweek reversal, but instead, it was a beautiful signature trade in here. Actually, this is a different variation, so I'm going to show you here. That's the one, and this is the one. A signature trade came, manipulate everybody, and break the trend. So there is VIX that there is no midweek reversal. There is some VIX that there is no Tuesday reversal. So you can call this a midweek reversal because it's in a Wednesday, but to me, I just call it, I don't call it anything. It's the manipulation pattern. It's the stop hunt, just grab the orders and stop them out. And same thing again, they give you guys a lot of ways. You see here, let me go inside a little bit. What happened here? Why market formed this low? That's the low, and that's the only close in this zone. Market worked in here, right? And then spike came down here, and trust me, this is probably a pre-London or London, and the spread came up to here for 1 second and grab all this order, pending order, and go back up. Notice at the time that this is forming, no retail trader has this trend on. Why? Because within further touch, I could draw this. Retail traders are not like us that put the trend with one touch. They need to have multiple respect to their chart, to their trend line. So this is not even a downtrend, but kind of, still lower low. Let's move on here. So Monday formed a high, went down here. Let's see what it looks like in live. That's what it looks like. An uptrend that apparently broke this trend, willing to go up, because this was a downtrend. Downtrend is now broken. When downtrend is broken and market retested, means it's wanna, you know, change the trend, right? So market was broken. What I said was just a retail rule. Broke, retest, start going up, okay, made the high, and then where is here? They wanna run this trend. 1, 2, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3 touch. Now this is valid. This is a resistance now being respected more than a couple of times. So now this is a valid resistance, broken, retested. Everybody buying here, everybody buying. Where is their stop loss? 30 pip below this, maybe. Some of them below this. Some of them go even further and say this. Some people swing trade, put it here. Hit them all. Hit them all. That's what you should understand. You want to get into the market when it's pure confirmation, completely. Everything makes sense to buy. That's when you want to sell. That's when you don't want to be retail. You know, Tuesday reversal for us, this was the second leg. Okay, we see a bearish momentum, we're selling. We're selling. Till midweek reversal. Midweek reversal, you can see this was a W formed here in Wednesday. So there is a possible for they to come here, create a new trend, or they just break this trend too. And you can see they continue. And then later on they break it. Why? Because there was swing traders, stop loss in here or here. So market came all the way down to here to hit them. So let's go back to what I write it here. Guys, you need to backtest this. I'm gonna show you how I backtest. I look at every single candle. This is the backtest that I am working on for my VIP team. We're gonna go through it. I'm making it ready, but you can count the wicks. How many times, how many wicks am I going through? Like countless. You give me data, I sit and backtest it. I have nothing to do. I cut everything. I sit down on my chart and I backtest. You can count this week. I don't know. I think it's around 4 months or 5 months. And this was only 1 week of mine. This is only 1 week of mine, and I have a store, I have my own business, I have my own family. I'm not a person sitting all the time on the chart, but you can see how I go through things. Every single candle, I watch them, what happened, you know? So you shouldn't let your trading view looks like this. You know, I don't have much more data in here. You see, you shouldn't be like this. You should be like this. Or in the better case, you go through it. You start drawing these things. What I draw, you start drawing these things. And make it make sense for you. You know? Let me go back to here. Yeah. I'm gonna give the credit to Forex Investor Alliances, Forexia. I'm sure you all know it. This is purely the knowledge. I'm happy to be part of the team and help you guys to learn this stuff. That's it for today. There's nothing more I'm gonna add. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's it.